How to fix and solve payment failed on Spotify app. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing a problem with the payment in Spotify application. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of Spotify on your mobile device. For that, you have to go ahead and open Play Store. Then from the search bar, simply type in Spotify. Once you find it, click on it, and if you see an update button, something like this highlighted in blue color instead of open or enable, simply tap on it to update it to the latest version available. Now come back, open the settings, scroll all the way down and go to apps. Now here you can scroll down and search for a Spotify application, or you can use the search bar at the top. Simply type in Spotify. Once you find it, click on it. And here again, scroll down and go to storage. Then click on clear cache and also click on clear data. But remember that clearing the data will also delete all your files, settings, accounts, and databases permanently from your device. So you have to be very careful regarding that. Now come back and now also try for stopping this application and then enable it again. Then come to permissions and make sure that you have given permission for everything to this app, such as camera, contact, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, photos, and videos. Now you have to come back again and then go to battery. Also set this to optimized. And last but not least, simply try uninstalling this application completely from your device and then reinstall it using the Play Store. So that's all for this video. This is exactly how you can solve the payment error on Spotify. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.